Hello everyone, this is coming from OpenText Global Technical Support Team. This video is to introduce how to install LoadGenerator 2023 R1 on Linux. Here is the overview of the installation flow. Three main items are prerequisites, installation, and configuration. During the installation phase, you can choose wizard installation or silent installation. First, you need to make sure the OS type you're planning to install the LG on is listed as a supported platform. Please check the detailed requirements in the support matrix. Currently, the verified Red Hat Linux versions are 8 and 9 64-bit. Also, it is recommended to install it on a machine with 8-core CPU processor with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 40 gigabytes of free hard disk. The sample in this video will show the installation on Red Hat Linux 8.4. By default, libNSL is not installed with RHEL 8.0, so it is necessary to manually install it before installing the load generator, or the installation will fail. You can use the yum command as shown in the slide to install that library. Then you need to check the required packages and see if some of them are missing. The listed packages must be installed on Linux machines before installing the 64-bit version of a load generator. You can also get the information about how to install those packages in the support matrix. Next, you can start the installation process. Before running the setup wizard, please check if there's a load generator version 12.55 or earlier installed already. If that's the case, you must first uninstall the earlier version manually. If you're using 12.56 or later, the load generator for this version can be installed directly, as the setup wizard will uninstall the old version during the installation process and then install the current version. To run the setup wizard, you need to log in as a super user and unzip the installation file. You may follow the steps in the slides. It is recommended that you use the source command to run the setup wizard as shown in the table. If you run the setup wizard without using this command, you must manually set the environment variables for the current shell session. If the source command is not available, you can use the listed command instead. Here is what you're going to see during installation. If the machine has load generator 12.56 or later already installed, you will need to type 1 to uninstall the older version before proceeding further. After the uninstallation is completed, run source installer.sh again. It will show the default installation directory and the disk space information. If you choose silent installation, there's not much difference from the setup wizard except for some available installation options. You can set -d start product after install as no if you do not want to start LG process immediately after the installation. LG 2023 R1 provides two options for Gatling and JMeter installation as well. You can set them as yes if you like to install them. It is not necessary to do configuration again if source command is used during installation, but in case you want to check if the environment variables are set correctly, you may run the listed commands below to check and set the environment variables if needed. Here is the sample output for the verify generator command. If the verification passes, the summary at the end will give an OK result. That is all for today's sharing. Thank you so much for watching.